In this video, I will show you how to sign up for Napkin AI. I'll start by opening my browser and searching for Napkin AI in the Google search bar. Once the results appear, I click on the first link to visit the official website. On the homepage, which highlights how the tool turns text into visuals, I'll go ahead and click the Get Napkin Free button located in the upper right-hand corner. As the sign-in page loads, I am presented with several ways to create an account, including email or single sign-on. I'll click the Sign Up link at the bottom first to see the registration form, but then I'll decide to go back and use the Google option for a faster setup. I click Sign In with Google and select my account from the list to continue. Next, a Finish Setting Up Your Account window pops up. I need to review and accept the terms, so I check the box for the terms of use and privacy policy before clicking Continue. Now, I'll go through a quick onboarding process to personalize my experience. I select For Work as my primary use case and click Next. For the company size, I'll choose Just Me and hit Next again. When asked about the kind of work I do, I'll select Product Management and click Next. For where I plan to use these visuals, I'll choose Social Media Content and continue. Finally, I'll indicate that I found the tool through a search engine and click Next. After a quick confirmation, I click Done to officially enter the workspace. I can now explore the different creation options, like describing an idea or importing a document directly from my computer to get started. And there you have it, that's the complete process of signing up for Napkin AI.